Hi guys, Tara Ryan here, and today's tip from Tara is about updating your listing out on Google, sometimes known as Google My Business or Google Business Profiles. We taught a seminar on this week, and I want to give you some of the headlines. Number one, make sure you claim your listing out on Google. Many of you have already done this, but if you have not, you need to. Truthfully, everybody Googles you, and if you don't come up with a Google profile, it just looks like you maybe don't exist or not professional. You don't want to be a secret. So go ahead and claim your profile so people can find you more easily. It is free. There's no reason not to do it. Number two, make sure you fill it out completely. Many of us set this up years ago, and they've added more entries or items that you can use to describe you and your business. And the more filled out it is, the more complete your profile, the more likely it is for Google to recommend you when people are searching for the best real estate agent in their area. So take a moment, revisit your profile, and make sure you have everything filled out. And number three, you've got to keep updating it. Again, many of us set this up years ago and we thought it was a set it and forget it. It is not. It is something that gets more value by Google if it is active so that it knows that it's recent and it's good information. Treat it like another social media channel and post to it regularly. I would say at least monthly, if not weekly. And hey, you have an advantage. You sell houses, right? So upload pictures of homes that you have listed and sold. That's your product, and get it out there. It's a way for you to keep your profile fresh with new information coming all the time. Reviews will also keep your profile fresh, and we'll talk about reviews in another tip from Tara. As always, we are here to help. We want to be your lender. Call us and let us know what we can do for you.